Yo, 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 what is going on, guys? Bit of a late one. Really, really late. I did, in fact, get home, uh, showered, ate, and then I fell asleep. And I suddenly woke back up, and I was like, "Fuck it, you know, let's um, let's get this video done, right, for the week. So tomorrow I don't have to worry about it, and yeah, we can call it, right? So." Fuck it. Let's just get right into it. So same strategy, same way that we're trading. We're gonna back test it, build up our confidence, making sure that where we are feeling good, good and confident, and also making sure that trying our best to kind of um make sure, oh no, trying our best to make sure that our strategy is profitable. And if not, if we are feeling like, if we are seeing that we are sort of profitable, we're not there, what are things that we could do to kind of change the way that we trade so it becomes more profitable, so and our win rate goes up. So yeah, let's fucking get right into it. First session, what is it gonna give us? Probably won't be as long as the past couple of videos just because of how late it is, but we will give it our best shot. So 1 hour time frame. Okay, reacting off this big hourly gap. Makes sense. Okay, an obvious downtrend. What's our 15-minute swing looking like there? Um, okay. Okay. So our swing would be this on our 15-minute time frame, which does make sense because on the hourly, have we hit equilibrium? We in fact have hit equilibrium. So let's just see if we do have equal highs up here. Let's just see what we get, right? Are we within equilibrium within this range here? Yes, we are. Okay. So now we're in a discount to be bullish. We are currently in the zone. We also have the last point of defense, which is this zone here. So price is in that zone. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we break structure with intent. Okay, that looks pretty good. That looks actually really beautiful. Let's see what we get. Okay. We should take out these highs. That's all right. Let's just see if we get a bullish reaction. Okay, we tapped that 5 minute. Let's just see if we can inverse that 5 minute. We can inverse this 5 minute, you know. Okay, sellers are starting to get exhausted a little bit. Are we still within this range? Yes, I'll say we have a sweep of these lows. Okay, nice close. Let's try here. Aim for a 1 to 2. We will probably go break even at this high. Fuck. Okay. Let's try. Let's see. Okay. We go break even now. So now it becomes a risk-free trade. Okay, that's all right. Let's just see if we get a pushback and we end up taking these lows. I'll be happy if we actually come and take out these lows again. And then now we get that kind of displacement move that we were looking for before. But we go break even. Um, which is all right. Let's see if we can get a retrace. Into this area. No retrace. That's alright. We might end up making a new swing. Okay. Speed it up a little bit. Okay. Let's see. So internal now. Okay. Go on the 5 minute. Let's see what we get. Okay. Have a break here. See if we can get a nice retrace into the zone and a nice push out. Ideally, we want to close it in it. Let's just show. Okay, we did create a 5-minute gap. Here. We inverse that. Maybe we took out these highs. Okay, let's see what the next candle prints. We could try. We could try. We could try. We'll go break even once we break these highs once again. We'll aim for these highs up here. Okay, break even now. Becomes risk free now. Okay, that's all right. Okay, we'll go to a new session. So overall, 2 break evens so far. 2 break evens. So let's try a different session. Yeah, doesn't really matter. 100K, 50K, it's all the same shit. We're risking 1%, so it's all good. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh shit, I forgot to do the chart. Look at chart layout. Oh shit. Ah shit. Oh shit. How do I change this bloody... Fuck it. I'll make a new session. Okay. Click this. This. Okay. Create session. Okay. 1 hour. We took out these lows. Okay. But we are bearish. We are bearish. We had a breaker structure here, reckoning off this POI. Price ends up holding it. Get a nice displacement, push back down. 4 hour. We'll check the 4 hour just to keep it in mind. We can see that, okay, we're taking out these highs. That's what causes displacement. Broke internal. Reacting off this 4 hour gap, which is refined to that 1 hour, which is what we mentioned earlier. Okay. What's our swing doing, right? We want to know what our swing is doing on a 15-minute. So we're able to see where we can take a trade at internally within this high time frame structure. So if I have to go back a little bit just to see where the last break was. Okay. Last break would have been here. Follow down. Broke here. Here. Broke it there. Broke it here. Break structure back down to the downside. Okay, so this is our range. Quite a big range. Quite a big range. But the only thing we kind of have is this area up here. So let's see if, oh, do we make a new range? Okay, we do make a new range. Broke it. Okay, this is our recent break. Okay, which is good. We don't have to worry about this anymore. Let's see if we can get a retracement up to these auto block here, and we'll look to see from there. So this is our last point of defense. You can get a retracement up there. Remember, letting price come to us. That's what we want. See how long this takes. Might be the last session of the night. It would be beautiful if we don't take out these lows and we end up coming to sweep these highs, because that would be our liquidity sweep. And we'll just have to look for confirmation. See what we print. Okay, we're making new range. That's all good. Let's draw out our equilibrium. Boom, boom. Okay, equilibrium is starting from this order block here. We also have this area up here. And the last point of defense is here too. We also have these small little order blocks too that we can potentially have a look at as well. Okay, we're making you swing. Quite of a small swing, but we will take it. Let's just make sure that we haven't. Okay, we still have these lows. Okay, that's good. See if we can get a push back up here. Okay, get a push in there. Okay. In versus 5 minute. Let's see if we get a retracement into this. Do we break out cleanly? Okay. I want to see us inverse this. Or we could even say this would be our last break. We can say they're reacting off this order block. So ideally we want it to fail. Okay. Okay, I think that makes us a new range. Yes, it does. Could even call this a break too, but I wouldn't really like it. So reason for that push up, we've swept these high time frame lows, which is here. We're getting that nice reaction now. So a recent break would be here. No pullback into orders, order block yet. Okay, so we can have a look at taking a trade here. Here, and also our last point of defense, which is here. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, get it push in. Let's see what happens on the 5 minute. Okay. Reacting off this order block. So we want to see sellers react and then lose control of it. That's what you want to see. Okay. Same thing here. We want to see sellers react. Same thing here. You want to see it fail. That's what you want to see. Okay. Good. Beautiful. Okay, good. Push into it. Let's see a push out of it. That's what we want to see. Okay. Let's try this. We're looking to target these highs. We'll go break even after the next displacement. We can actually go break even at these highs. It gives us some room to breathe. Okay, a bit of a choppy one. Okay. Go break even now. Okay. Get our break even. That's alright. We're still within this 15-minute gap. Still within this 15-minute order block here. So ideally we want to see this area be failed. No reaction. Okay, that's alright. For us to take a trade, I'd be happy if we came back down here. Okay, we get that tap. See if we get a nice reaction. We want to see this area fail. Okay. See if we break above it. Okay. So again, that would have saved us another loss. Seeing that we weren't able to break this area, sellers showed intent, right? So obviously we could have actually tried to take a trade off the displacement, but again, we had this displacement to actually fill, orders up here, which caused the sell. So ideally, we want to see sellers get interacted with a POI, try push it down, and then buyers take control. That's what we want to see. Let's get rid of this. Oh shit. Pushing back down further. Okay, we still have this. Okay. Let's see. Still being interacted with. Still holding this range here. Let's see us break above this. Okay, we get that nice break. See if we get a retracement into the zone and see us break away from it. No. Okay. Okay, I'll be happy to take this. Aim for these highs here. Go break, easy break even target. Let's try for it. Last trade for the night. Last trade for the night, guys. Oh, did I even fucking place the order? Oh, okay. Filled me in quite low, but said I'll break even. Probably just go break even at this point. Okay, that's definitely break even now. So we get that play out. Good delivery. Get a sweep of these lows. See if we can get a commitment. Okay, unfortunate break even there. Um, Unfortunate. It looked like we actually swept out these highs up here, which is all right. You know, it's all part of the game. Again, it's just one of those things where we are choppy a little bit. We're in bearish internal structure, so our external PYs aren't really holding against the internal at the moment, which is fine. We tried it though. We tried it. We actually tried to target these 50-minute highs up here. But again, you guys see where I'm going with this, right? You guys see where I'm going with this, right? So you see that we're working on our executions. Like right now, my executions are trying to find a good kind of execution to trying to find a good way to execute on those POIs, just so we're making sure that we are kind of pushing for profitability and making sure that we are taking the right trades, right, following the reactions that we get and the momentum and displacement as well. So I think all trades today were break evens, if I'm not wrong. So 3, 4 trades there were break even. So technically we're going to break even for the day. Which is all right. You know, we will gladly take that rather than the loss. Better than I would say, was it yesterday where we actually not better than yesterday, but kind of similar in terms of we'd lost, we would lose one and then win. So though we were up for the day, we still took some losses. So ideally, we're trying to mitigate those losses as much as we can and win more. So we want to win more and go break even more. But we don't want to stay break even. We kind of want to push out of that zone. So um, it's the new kind of confirmation. I wouldn't say invented. It's probably been invented already, but um, it's it's a thing where it stops us from entering off displacement that chases something, right? If we see that we get displacement, but we also get a reaction from sellers trying to push down and buyers take control, it shows us that sellers try to take control in this area, weren't able to break this low. We then break above it. We use this zone as resistance. We see that we start to get pushes out of it. We then enter stop below here, break even target, looking to target these highs up here. Easy as that. It just now is just we need to refine it more to the point where we're continuously doing the same thing each and every day, right? So yeah, a bit of a late one. I apologize for that. Yeah, I slept and then woke up, and now, I thought I'll get this video out. Um, just to see, or just to let you guys know, that we'll stay grinding no matter what the time is. Working hard, guys. But yeah, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. I'll probably do a chicken video Sunday. But I'll see you guys in the next video, which will probably be on Sunday. And yeah, next week will be a little bit more easier just because we are on day shift. So I'll be able to come home, relax a little bit, um, and be able to trade without having to be super, super late like this. But overall, it's all right. We make do no matter what the time is. We, make sure we get our sessions in. So, again, thank you guys so much for keeping me accountable. Um, by getting these videos out to you guys. That's keeping me accountable. And, I'm glad that you guys are here with me on this journey. Once we make it, we'll look back at these videos and no one will know, right? No one will know, the YouTube channel that, I posted all these videos where, I'm with you guys and I'm like there's been times where I've fallen off a cliff and then decided to get back up to keep going, and we're slowly getting there, slowly getting there. But again, just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. um Good night or good day wherever you guys are from, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. God bless.